Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the tornado threat. The wind and the hail are up there. I am turning off that night light. Okay, so people can see what's going on. So there's a squall line going down parts of severe weather right now. There's not a big tornado watch as there was, but this is a squall line. Yeah, what's going on with my phone? Okay, my phone is too dark. The night light needs to go off. So you can see the storms are firing up on the radar right now. You can see. So we're gonna go check the storm chasers. Okay, we're gonna track this line of storms as we speak right now. So we're tracking this line out. Okay, we're gonna get on the zoomer terrain, and then we're gonna. And there's also storms popping up out here as well. You can see them. A couple showers and thunderstorms there. But we're gonna focus on this big line of thunderstorms right here. Yep, big line of storms. There was a warning down here, not no more. But we're gonna have storms out here pop up around. These are like little cells that is feeding out to. But we still have a couple storms popping up. But these storms are at that, not a low top, but look at this is that squall line. It's producing very damaging winds. You can see the reports. There's just millions of hail reports on here. And now we're going to turn on the edit alerts. So we got that tornado watch here. So we're going to check out the yellow thing. Tornado watch until 11 p.m. tonight. We don't have no winter weather. So it's all got flooding threats going on there. So yeah, we can see storms popping up over Pennsylvania again as well. You can see them already off the lake. So there's a warm front. So these storms are very dangerous. You can see very dangerous storms. So we're gonna see more of this activity for the night hours as we speak. So more of this will be coming tonight in these areas. So dangerous thunderstorms popped up here.
I just wanted to be left alone.
So that is dangerous threat here. Okay. It's not going to be very long coverage because
Why are you here? Did you follow me? You can't be here.
so we're seeing lots of severe weather parts. Oh, this watch is really. That's how it was earlier. Look, there's several tornado warnings on that. But I'm not concerned about that tornado watch right here. Wow, there's a lot of missile discussions. Yeah, there's a lot of them, so. But I'm more worried about that tornado watch right here. Yeah, look at these storms back here. The little, but that line's going to continue extending. So, very, very active weather pattern. You can already see it happen several times. in this video. You can see it all, the tornado watch box here. This tornado watch will go in effect till 11 o'clock tonight. So dangerous tornadoes, but the biggest threat tonight is the hail. 2-inch hail is high. Hail is going to be a very big factor today. Big hailstones, baseball size hailstones, and that's that squall line there. It says storms will continue to pose a damaging wind threat and a few tornadoes as they move eastern Oklahoma and late northwest. And there's also even storms popping around out of the risk zones. So not severe, but at least a couple storms. So there's a warm front developing. So I'm gonna go back out in a minute. So
Alright. If you're not gonna talk, then listen.
late showers, but we got a thunderstorm threat to go into tomorrow. So you guys make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to it, comment down below. Got 9 subscribers now, so.
Because you lied to us.
And so, you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. And so, let's get back to it here. Let's get back out. We're going to see an update, see what the update looks like. I up this every single second. You can see these little storms.
Couldn't do anything but watch him die.
I guess them are not going to be part of that line, are they? Nope.
And it didn't happen fast. He was aware he was in pain. He knew you did it. He knew the person he tried to save killed him. And maybe that made him feel like his life didn't mean anything.
So,
I can't send you out there. But if you're in this house with me, then I'll probably kill you. I don't know if I want to kill you. I just know I probably will. I'm trying to be like my mom. I'm trying to believe what she believed too. She did. But that's all I have left of her. That's the only thing that keeps her alive.
so there's actually storms developing here as well. Crazy part is there's even storms popping up around here.
You may be a kid, Charlie,
So,
but you know what you did. And that makes you garbage. It makes you a waste of a person. Worse than something stumbling around out there, tearing into people.
yeah.
See, I hope you live to a ripe old age. So you have to remember what you did.
I want to continue keeping an eye on the weather. So, and I'm going to go out and check out the tropical storm tidbits. Then I'll be done, okay? Enter. No. So we're gonna go to. So we're gonna get to regions. We're gonna go to this zone right here, and we're gonna go to Mesoscale. So you can see that dangerous line. It's already happening now. You can see that big old line develop.
Jay, how are you watching TV and him talking? I can hear it clear out there.
I was planning to do this video. Sorry guys, every single time. Sorry, every single time I almost said that. As you can see, this dangerous squall line of thunderstorms there. This is back. You can see those storms there. See, it pops up. The line starts to expand.
There's a bag of garbage you can take out, honey.
I'm not done yet. The coverage.
It'll be by the door.
So,
I gotta get Cassie some more water.
I'm gonna search my channel here soon. I'm gonna be on it. So when I post this video, I'll have 42 videos. So this will be the second one I'll post. So I'm on my channel right now. I'm just gonna upload this video. It'll load. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see I watch these videos on here. So whatever I like once on here, I'll like twice and comment on here. So let's get back to it. So we're gonna upgrade. I'm gonna load it again. Yeah, there's one warning. Still that tornado warning there. So yes, very dangerous weather right now. As we speak, very, very dangerous. So you can see that dangerous line. There's that tornado warning right there. So there's a couple of them. Sorry about that, Mom.
That's okay. Just want you to get out there before we go up.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna be much longer anyway. So I'm gonna go check out one more app. It's called Latent Detection US. So we're gonna. I'm not app. I'm about to check one more site. I go to this site too. I check out this line of storms. You can see them right here. We're going to go to the northern part of the storms there. That's just what this is.
We'll try again later.
Nope.
And then breaking the storm. When the dead start to clear out.
I want to see the whole storm thing. And I want to cross out that ad thing. You can't do that. Yeah, I need a better radar information there. You can see that giant line. Okay, you can see it right there. You can see that thing. Okay, check out the rotation rulers. Yeah, there's some potential tornado with that. But this right here should show this. Yeah, you can see there's extreme ones in there. So, very dangerous situation with these storms. And the rainfall out of these. Wow, that's a lot of rain. 70. Look at this rain. That's a lot. That's a lot of rain. For one single line of thunderstorms. Yeah. It's a derecho. It's what it is, derecho. Live coverage derecho. Let's check out the echo tops on these thunderstorms.
I'll be upstairs for a few minutes.
This is a derecho. Wow. That's incredible. Jesus. What? Am I supposed to be quiet in this whole video? Can't do that.
We'll go out the table, man.
This
One's out there.
Jeez. Yeah, the echo tops are up there.
Oh, you expect me to believe that?
Yeah, I was drinking some ginger ale. Got my big glass of water over there, just in case I need it. So I feel better doing a video as we speak. So you can see them echo tops. That is very high. Look, got 56,000 feet. You can see we got 60,000 feet up there. So, guess what? These thunderstorms are not linear in motion. They're very tall thunderstorms. These ones here are very tall thunderstorms at the end of the line. So that you can see the extremes are here. Very extreme. Look at that. Okay, we're seeing very big hail with these thunderstorms. You can actually see that. Look at the freaking color in that. Yeah, that is. You can see the color contrast. So it's bad. It's incredibly bad. So very dangerous weather going on. Let's reload this again. Yeah, tornado warning is not gone. It's just been one tornado warning. Okay, but this threat's going to extend in the next couple of hours. Dallas is probably in that moderate risk. Excuse me, sorry. So, see this. So the storms will be approaching you guys in the next couple of minutes. It's sunny right now. So, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to load the area again. See if I can get some more information on this. That is pretty big hail in there. Yeah, I've been tracking these storms last couple of hours. It's been crazy for you guys. So it's interesting to see how crazy this squall line is. But what's crazy about this? This is a warm front hitting us right now, but this is what we're seeing. Oh, there's a second tornado warning. Here we go. Now we're finally seeing more than one tornado warning. There is more than one tornado warning. Wow. Close the freaking jaw. Oh my god, drawlands escaped the storms. There's a tornado warning right here. And there's that dangerous weather there. That is.
What you did to my family, I'm not gonna say that. It's not true. I can't help you. So whatever it is you're looking for, you're not gonna get it. Not from me. You have to live with what you've done. Just like I have. Even if all that's waiting for you on the other end is being out on that porch just like them. How long do you think the storm's gonna last?
So we are seeing this activity on the rise as the evening goes on. So it's just that activity is just on the verge of rising. But these storms are still little. You can see them. So these ones have that echo top potential. Yeah, moderate risk. So the tornado potential is 10% medium. They're not very, very high, but I don't know when our next. How many reports of there were today? There's been 55 hail more. There was more hail reports today than freaking tornadoes. There hasn't been a confirmed tornado at all today. would have been nice if we started having storms ahead of it. That would have stirred up the tornado threat even there. I am worried about their storms developing ahead of right here. And there was, see, look. See, there's a storm there popped up.